Meaning of enforce.
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 Enforce. The word enforce refers to the act of making sure that a particular rule, law, or regulation is being followed or implemented. When a person or an authority enforces something, they are making sure that it is being respected and complied with. The result of enforcement can be improved compliance with rules, increased safety and security, and decreased wrongdoing or illegal activity. It can also lead to sanctions or penalties for those who violate the enforced regulation, either in the form of fines, imprisonment, or other legal consequences.